What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna get the PowerPlug installed on the 2020 GR Supra. So we'll get into more info about it right after we get it put in. It's a very easy install and gets you quite a bit more horsepower. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, so the first thing you need to do, as you've seen in a few of our other videos, you need to go ahead and remove the engine cover. It's a simple pull up of each corner of the cover and she pops right off. So we've already had the prototype version of this on the car. Now today we're gonna install the final version. We have already installed a piece of Velcro right here. There's a couple other places you could put the actual power module. You could put it underneath this panel. You could also put it underneath that panel over there. There's more than enough wire to run it in a few different positions. You just obviously want to keep it away from any moving objects. So first thing that we're gonna do, we're just gonna go ahead and stick this in its location. And this tube right here, you want to be very careful to push this little tab and go ahead and lift it up. Make a little bit of room. We're going to take each one of these wire looms, and in this area over here, we're going to go ahead and feed these through here. Then we're going to go ahead and take these and feed them through underneath this. We're going to go ahead and install the boost pressure sensor wiring on these. These plugs look very similar, but the plug that you're plugging into is specific to this black plug, which is the yellow. It's the 3-wire, 2 yellows with black. So if you look at it, it's pretty much identical. This only can go in one way. So you want the tab up and go ahead and snap her in to hear a little click. And on this side, this only goes one way as well. Just goes like that until you hear a click. And then we're gonna wanna go ahead and find a little place for this. Understand there's pulleys down here, so you don't wanna tuck any wires down in that region. Then we're gonna go up top. Pressure sensor, the manifold pressure sensor, also called the absolute manifold pressure sensor. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. And then we'll take, and the same on this, it only plugs in one way. So you got 2 little clips. So if you see, it just clips right in. Take this with a clip up, like so, and clip her on in. And we'll tuck the wires here in a few. Then we're gonna go down to this one. I would go underneath this sensor to plug it in. Helps for tucking it away, which is the water pump. Push that on, only goes on one way. And again, this only goes on one way, so this doesn't go this way. You have to flip it around, clip that together, and it's all connected. Now we have all this wiring. So let's go ahead and tuck this all away. I tuck this so it's just sitting on here. And then with this one, I'm gonna take all these, and we take things off very frequently, so I'm not gonna zip tie this currently. So we're constantly testing new modules, different products, and I do suggest zip tying these things out of the way if it's a permanent feature on your car. Get it all nicely neat and tucked away. Make sure that this gets pushed back on. Be very careful with it. And that is how you install the power plug from Delicious Tuning.